Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Hypotenuse.
What does the dictionary say?
The side of a right triangle opposite the right angle.
Math rap.
In confusion, don't be tangled. Hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. In a right angle triangle, it's found with ease. The longest side of that triangle you will see.
Math rap.
How do math teachers stay up on current events? They watch the hypotenuse. Why does a hypotenuse always make good decisions? It's always looking at things at the right angle. Explain hypotenuse in your own words. Draw and label a triangle to show. Draw and label a triangle and show your knowledge of a hypotenuse. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!